Imagine the warm, salty breeze of Tulum, Mexico, gently caressing your face as you bite into a vibrant, zesty vegan taco. The crunch of fresh vegetables, the tang of juicy pineapple, and the rich flavors of the vegan filling. A symphony of flavors that capture the essence of this beach paradise. Now let's embark on a culinary journey to Tulum, a tropical paradise nestled on the Caribbean coastline of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, known for its stunning beaches and well-preserved ruins of an ancient Mayan port city. But today, we're diving into the heart of Tulum's culinary scene with a delightful vegan taco recipe that pays homage to the local flavors. Our vegan taco recipe is a celebration of color, texture, and taste. It starts with a hearty filling made from young jackfruit, a tropical fruit that, when cooked, has a meat-like texture perfect for our vegan adventure. We're also adding red onion, garlic, red bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, and a can of black beans for an extra punch of protein. The filling is seasoned with earthy ground cumin, fiery chili powder, and smoky paprika, then finished off with a squeeze of fresh lime juice. But the magic of a taco lies in its toppings. We're going to use fresh pineapple for a sweet and tangy twist, shredded purple cabbage for a crunchy texture, creamy avocado slices, and of course, your favorite salsa. To bring it all together, we'll be serving this on warm toasted tortillas, a staple in Mexican cuisine. Finally, we'll garnish our vegan Tulum-inspired tacos with fresh cilantro for an extra burst of flavor, and serve them with lime wedges on the side. It's a feast that's not just pleasing to the palate but also a treat to the eyes with its vibrant colors and exciting textures. So, are you ready for this culinary expedition? Grab your apron and let's dive into the heart of Tulum's culinary scene. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that is as delightful to the senses as the breathtaking sunsets of Tulum. Dive into the heart of the vegan taco, the filling. With ingredients like young jackfruit, vibrant red onions, and smoky spices, this filling is a celebration of flavors. Let's start by heating a pan over medium heat and adding a bit of oil. Sauté finely chopped red onion, minced garlic, diced red bell pepper, and finely chopped jalapeno pepper until they begin to soften. Next, introduce a cup of shredded young jackfruit into the mix, letting it cook until it starts to brown slightly. It's time now to stir in the black beans, a teaspoon each of ground cumin and chili powder, and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Of course, don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Let this vibrant medley cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the mixture and stir well. With the filling ready, we're one step closer to our Tulum-inspired vegan tacos. Now comes the fun part, assembling the tacos. With a rainbow of toppings and warm tortillas, each taco is a customizable canvas. Let's start by warming up our tortillas. In a dry pan or on a griddle, give each tortilla about 20 seconds on each side until they are pliable and slightly toasted. The aroma alone will transport you to a bustling Mexican street market. Next, we're going to layer up the flavors. Begin with a hearty spoonful of our vegan taco filling. This savory base will hold up against the vibrant toppings we're about to add. Sprinkle on some diced pineapple for a sweet contrast, followed by shredded purple cabbage for a delightful crunch. Arrange a few slices of ripe avocado, and top it all off with a dollop of your favorite salsa. Don't forget to garnish with fresh cilantro for that extra burst of flavor. With our tacos assembled, we're almost ready to take that first tantalizing bite. The moment has arrived. As you take a bite of the vegan taco, you're transported straight to the beaches of Tulum. The journey that began with the simple act of preparing the vegan taco filling, sautéing a medley of red onion, garlic, bell pepper, and jalapeno pepper, then adding the young jackfruit and black beans, seasoned with a blend of ground cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika, has brought us here. The fresh lime juice squeezed over the warm filling, the tortillas toasted just right, and the vibrant toppings of diced pineapple, shredded purple cabbage, and avocado slices all come together in a symphony of flavors and textures that is nothing short of a tropical fiesta. A dollop of salsa, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime add the final touches, making each bite a celebration. So there you have it, a taste of Tulum's tropical paradise, all within the comfort of your own kitchen. Until next time, keep exploring and keep cooking. Let's take a moment to revisit our tropical vegan taco journey. We began with the filling, sautéing a medley of ingredients. 1 medium red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno pepper. We then added half a can of young jackfruit and a cup of black beans, seasoning it all with a teaspoon each of ground cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika. Our tortillas were toasted to perfection, ready to cradle the warm filling. The vibrant toppings were then added: a quarter of a diced pineapple, half a shredded purple cabbage, and slices from one ripe avocado. A dollop of your favorite salsa, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice from half a lime were the final touches to our Tulum-inspired vegan tacos. Remember, cooking is all about exploration and savoring the joy of food. So don't be afraid to experiment with these recipes and make them your own. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep enjoying every bite.